Hello student, this question is asked basically in 2014 GATE exam for 2 marks, and this question is a little bit easy, and the question is like this: the slope of ID versus VGS curve of n channel MOSFET is linear region is 10 to the power minus 3 ohm inverse at zero point 0.1 at VDS is equal to zero point 0.1 volt. For the same device neglecting the channel length modulation, the slope of root of ID versus VGS in root of ampere per volt under the saturation region is approximately. Now we see the solution of this question. Okay, so देखिए ध्यान से, जैसा कि इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि the slope of IDS versus VGS at VDS is equal to 0.1 volt is I say this 10 to the minus 3 ohm inverse. Basically this is conductance is given, yes, and the question is basically like this: I need the slope of this root of IDS with respect to VGS. So as I say, the question is a little bit easy to understand, and we need basically the fundamental equations of your IDS and VGS. So first of all, I write the equation for linear region. So देखिए ध्यान से, whenever the MOSFET in linear region, so whenever the MOSFET is linear region, तो आपको पता है MOSFET कब linear region होता है? Whenever the VDS is less than VGS minus VT. अगर VDS की वैल्यू VGS minus VT से कम है, तो I say this: the MOSFET operate in the linear region, and we approximate the result of your current. So it should be, I say this, mu n Cux W by L, and here I just write, which is VGS minus VT into VGS minus VT into VDS. So I say this is somehow the expression of current whenever the MOSFET operates in linear region. तो जब भी ये linear region में होगा, कब होगा? जब VDS की वैल्यू VGS minus VT से कम होगी. तो I say this: MOSFET operates in linear region. MOSFET operates in linear region. तो जब भी आपका क्या होगा, ये VDS की वैल्यू VGS में VGS कम होगी, तो MOSFET किस रीजन में काम करेगा? लीनियर रीजन में काम करेगा, और कहीं ना कहीं जो IDS की वैल्यू क्या होगी? म्यू एन CX W by L VGS minus VT into VDS. नाउ आई से कि मेरे को क्या गिवन है, इफ आई जस्ट डिफरेंशिएट दिस नंबर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आई से VGS, सो डिफरेंशिएट आई से विद रिस्पेक्ट टू VGS, सो व्हाट वी गेट? अगर एक बार इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ से बड़ा सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. आई से दिस del IDS upon del VGS, if I just differentiate, this whole number is constant mu n Cux W by L, which is constant, and I say this VDS is also constant because I differentiate with respect to VGS. Okay, this VGS is 1 and VT is 0, so hope so we get VDS. So this is we have. Okay, so this number is given, which is 10 to the power minus 3, and this mu n Cux W by L, even VDS is also given, so it should be 10 to the power minus 2 minus 2. So mu n Cux W by L, we get 10 to the power minus 2. So this is we have. Now I need basically slope of root of IDS and VGS. तो कहीं ना कहीं डेल रूट ऑफ IDS VGS चाहिए. अब देखिए ध्यान से, आपको बात पता होना चाहिए कि जब भी आपका MOSFET saturation region में होगा, तो this current is not valid. So first of all we write the current equation whenever the MOSFET operates in saturation region. So देखिए ध्यान से, if VDS is greater than VGS minus VT even equal to L, so S, अगर VDS की वैल्यू VGS minus VT से ज़्यादा है, उसके इक्वल है, तो MOSFET किस रीजन में काम करता है? सैचुरेशन रीजन में काम करता है. तो देखिए ध्यान से, अगर MOSFET आपका अगर सैचुरेशन रीजन में है, सो व्हाट शुड बी द इक्वेशन ऑफ करंट? Okay, it follows, yes. So I say this IDS is equal to 1 by 2 mu n Cux W by L, and here I say it should be VGS minus VT whole square. So VGS minus VT whole square. Okay, so now if I just try to understand, because I need this, so कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास क्या है? If I just take the what square root on both sides, so this is root of IDS, it should be, I say this, 1 by root 2, and I say this also, here the root is also present, mu n Cux W by L, and I say this is VGS minus VT. Okay, this is V. Now I need just del root of IDS upon del VGS. So again I differentiate this number, differentiate with respect to, I say differentiate with respect to VGS. तो इसको अगर हम VGS के respect में differentiate करें, so what we observe, I say this, it should be del root of IDS divided by VGS. So I say it should be 1 by root 2, and this number is also constant, and its value is also given 10 to the power minus 2 here, and it should be, yes, VGS is 1 in this. So whenever I just try to solve it, so it become, I say 0.070, and unit of this number is root of ampere divide by volt. So this is the answer of this question. So as I say, this question little bit easy, but इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए मेरे को क्या होना चाहिए, पता होना चाहिए कि कहीं ना कहीं जब मॉसफेट लीनियर रीजन में होगा तो उसकी करंट इक्वेशन क्या होगी, और जब मॉसफेट आपका सैचुरेशन रीजन में होगा तो उसकी करंट इक्वेशन क्या होगी. सो वंस वी नो द करंट इक्वेशन, सिंपली वी अप्लाई द मैथमेटिक्स एंड वी गेट दी बेसिकली द आंसर्स. सो ये कहीं ना कहीं इस क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन है, एंड होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड.